Hi there, we spoke on the phone earlier today, 12th of April. This is where I've got to. I have shown this as a bespoke shelf. Let's just check the, I'll put all the measurements on a 2D drawing, but at the moment we've got 2.2 meters by 300 millimeters. I've got a distribution between there and there of 370, so between bottom and top it's going to be roughly 350. This is good. We can play around. It doesn't all have to be an even distribution. You could have a bigger distribution at the bottom wherever you want, smaller distribution at the top, but this is going to establish a good price point. It might be that I can get a more efficient cutting pattern with the boards by splitting that board there, but Elf will make a good shelf joiner, and the general presentation would be the same. We can get into the detail a bit later on if we're on the same page with price. So let's just spin this round and have a look at it. I've used Elf's top track hanging system. I'll show you some other pictures of bookshelves I've done. I'm confident that this will carry the load that we're asking of it. Can install that well inside a day, and I'm going to include the price of this particular type of Elfa bookend. Although they do make different types of bookend, they make one that slots in between the verticals as well. The other nice thing about not using the Elfa stock shelf is that the distribution of these verticals, hence the load bearing ability, I can go off plan with that. So this distribution horizontally here is about 350 millimeters, and again that's a nice solid shelf product. The way I've placed the metalwork, that's not going to bend, it's not going to bow. That just looks hideous to me. I just can't stand that. So we can do any length, any width, any distribution we want, but still get the cost advantage of using the Elfa metalwork. Okay, let's do a drawing, let's put a price together.